which you can find can help you. When you are writing a social letter or any letter, what will you keep in mind? आप सोशल लेटर लिख रहे हैं, क्या क्या आप किस तरह से आप स्टार्ट करेंगे उसको? Let us take a look at some solved problems, solved questions, and reply to some letters. Letter of complaint. So letters of complaints. What do you mean by a complaint letter? Why will you write a complaint letter?
To complain about something.
To complain about?
Some problems.
Like
for an like for an IT problem
All right. Let us start with the types of formal letters. A letter of inquiry. What do you understand by letters of inquiry? Is the screen visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now please read the letters, types of formal letter and formal letters. The first is letter of inquiry. What do you understand by letters of inquiry? Can you see the screen? Read now. Yes, read.
As the name suggests, this type of the letter in the source of the collecting information, people usually use a letter of inquiry as one of the most used business letter and the formal letter. A letter of inquiry help a person to have information like some course, job inquiry, price of service and products, the term and order of the working arrangement, etc. on the way of the
All right, fine. So a letter of inquiry, if the question in your exam comes like, what do you understand by letters of inquiry? You will write a letter of inquiry as the name suggests. This type of letter is a source of collecting information. When you are asking for inquiry, you want some information and you want this to be written in a systematic manner. So you have to be very particular. What information do you want? People usually use a letter of inquiry as one of the most used business letter. Now, this type of letter is one of the one type of letter which is most commonly used. सबसे अधिक use होता है in business world में letters of inquiry. What is happening? तो जैसा कि नाम बता रहा है, इंक्वायरी का मतलब होता है कि आपको कोई इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, यू वांट सम इंफॉर्मेशन, दैट इज व्हाई यू राइट अ लेटर ऑफ इंक्वायरी। और इस तरह का लेटर जो होता है, इंक्वायरी लेटर, द मोस्ट वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कॉमन features in the business world. People write business letters almost on any occasion, on every occasion. So this is also a formal letter. A letter of inquiry helps a person to have information like some source or job inquiry. You want to work, you're inquiring for a job, whether there's a vacancy or not. Prices of services. You want to know something, you want to get information. Terms and orders of a working agreement, etc. One must always, and when you're writing a inquiry letter, things to keep in mind. For the question, the answer is, what things will you keep in mind while writing an inquiry letter? Number one, give a brief description or introduction of yourself. It means introduce yourself. Second point, include the name of the organization if possible. If it is a letter you're writing for an organization, mention that name. Provide clear details about the area of inquiry. It means be very clear, be precise. What you want to know. Clarity. Present your queries and doubts in a clear and understandable form. Write in such a way so that the reader or the recipient understands what you want. Mention the deadline by which you need the information. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? आप हमको इन्फॉर्म कर दीजिए 10 के पहले, 3 के पहले, 4 बजे के पहले, any working day, Monday to Friday, before next week, before the 13th of this month. It means you have to be specified. You have to specify this. When do you want them to respond to you or to give the information? The format of this letter is the same as any formal letter. It means it can be given in any block style. Now the sample of this letter. So this is the heading. The person has not written his name, any name like Santosh Kumar or whatever. Santosh Kumar, chalo. 16 Ring Road, Nagpur 01, November 30th, 2021. So subject होना चाहिए, कहाँ होना चाहिए? Dear sir के ऊपर. So this has to be, delete this, and this will be ये कहाँ डालेंगे हम? And then the subject is inquiry about CAT coaching classes. You can write whatever you want to write. Radha, आप लिखना शुरू भी कर भी दीजिए. Why don't you write with me as a workshop? Right. Write your name and address. Write today's date. Write the inside address, the director of ABC classes. So on top will be your inside address, sorry, your heading, your name and your address. We are writing the block style. If you write one letter, you will understand the rest.
After address,
Your address, You leave a space and write what the date. You write as it is, whatever you see on the screen, write as it is. After each point, you leave space. Here you can change to Patna.
Writing letter to
The director ABC classes. That will be the same. The inside address will be the same. This is called the inside address. जिसको हम लेटर लिख रहे होते हैं उसको कहते हैं इनसाइड एड्रेस और ये आपका एड्रेस है. दिस इज कॉल्ड द हेडिंग.
subject.
Subject inquiry about CAT coaching classes or whatever you want to. Inquiry about German classes.
German.
What that is up to you. Now this is a sample. You have to write likewise. इसी तरह से आपको लिखना है. So you can change the content. So what is this letter? So this is the letter. This is with reference to your advertisement in the Times of India for CAT coaching classes. So you are a student of Simmons College and you would like to learn German or you would like to learn French. Here you can write inquiry about French classes.
What is this after classes? You
Yeah.
do
Yeah, what? I have passed, whatever you have passed, or you can delete that. You can write, I'm a student of Simmons College.
after subject is written after classes. What is that?
What?
In subject.
French classes.
Then classes is not that.
I have written whatever you want to write, you can write. But I have rectified it. Inquiry about French classes. Chalo. So you can include your introduction. My name is, I'm a student of BBA, Simmons College first semester, and I would like to join your French classes. And this is with reference to your advertisement in the Times of India. उसके बाद आप ये लिखिएगा. ठीक है, इसके पहले आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन लिखिए.
I will continue the same.
Write your introduction first.
Introduction.
And then continue. Yeah. कौन करेगी छाप देना पूरा मिटा देते हैं. So this is the first introductory paragraph, the first about April classes. Then we will start the second. Kindly let me know the procedure of applying for qualification test and its date. The second paragraph should be elaborate. It should be clear what you want from the recipient. No screenshot, write it. I would like to know, उसके बाद आप bullets में डाल सकते हैं. The duration of the coaching program. The duration of number of classes per week. Information about the fee payable and the study material. Okay, this should be separated with bullets. Kindly let me know the procedure of the following. I am making it simpler for you by including bullets. You have to be very clear in what you want from the person. So 4 bullets में मैंने डाल दिया, आपको जानना क्या है? The procedure of the applying for and qualifying test. Procedure for applying for the qualifying test in state. Now, is it clear? Is this format better? Yeah. Again, you're talking. Now, did you understand how it is written? Everybody finished? Complete this. We just have 4 minutes left. Thanking you. Yours truly, yours faithfully, yours sincerely. Thanking you. Let me see what you're writing. Paragraph कहाँ separate की तो? There has to be one line or not. Separate तो है नहीं. Paragraph should be separated by single line.
हम कौन से
Where are the points?
देना है
वो यहाँ कहाँ है? वो तो है ही है।
Excuse me, ma'am.
आप
Excuse me, ma'am. आपका point चल रही है writing 1 point. I'm writing now.
separate your points.
That I'll do, but we have to leave a line.
It has to be clear. It has to be neat, not jammed together. The same as what you see in the screen. एक paragraph, space ना डाल। Yeah. All block cells are in the left. Now what is your block style? Not like this. So all block style. यहाँ से क्यों शुरू करो? All block style left. Follow whatever you see in the stream. Whatever you see there, however you see there.
Ma'am, John. Then I'm gonna.
Hurry up, finish.
Yes.
Try typing it out because all the letters will be typed out. Done, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, you want to stay till 6 o'clock?
No, ma'am.
Okay, okay, stay. No problem. I will only go after you finish. Done?
Yes,
Now stay back for your attendance.
I am not the